Hi, this is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete Passkey on your Amazon account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Once you set up a passkey, it's saved in your passkey provider account, for example, your Apple ID or Google account. If you wish to remove your passkey so it can no longer be used to sign into Amazon on your device. So, how if you want to delete it from your Amazon account? It's so simple. So first of all, first we have to open our Amazon. Now you can go to the settings by tap on the three lines over here. You can go to your account. In here, you can, on the account settings section, there is an option login and security. You can just tap on that. Now, you'll find there is an option passkey in here. You can just tap on that. So here's the passkey that you have on your Amazon account. If you want to remove it, you can just tap on the trash can icon in here. Delete passkey. If you delete passkey, you will no longer be able to use this passkey to sign in on Amazon. Now you can just tap on delete. So now you have deleted the passkey from your Amazon account. You can set up again if you want to add another passkey in your account. So simple, right? So that is how to delete passkey from your Amazon account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!